Hi guys, I've got some channel, so I just made some slime and I want to show you guys it. I got glue and some slime activator from the Nickelodeon slime kit, but that didn't work. So I added some soap and some detergent and it turned out good. So it was a green slime. Still looks green, but Lily said it looks grey. Some purple and gold and silver glitter. You can see the purple the most because that was the most glitter that we added in. So yeah. So guys, this one wasn't made out of slime kit at all. So we bought some glue from the shop. And then we got the detergent, which obviously we have to buy from the shop. It's not from a kit, probably is though. So you know, it's a decent slime. I mean, it's good, stretchy, a little bit sticky, a little bit soapy. Oh well. It's good slime anyway. Look, so like it looks pretty, like even when you look through it, it's not see-through, but like look at the glitter, it's so good. It's really easy to stretch, a little bit sticky but it comes off. Guys, this is my slime. So, you know. Guys, I know what I haven't done in this video. An Insta swirl. Stretch. The stretching is a bit bad. Bit good. Bit medium. Rips though. Which is very good, look. Little rip, right, so much of it, a bit off, guys, but shall I get Lily in so she can play with it and see what she thinks, but I reckon she'll say ew because it's a bit safer on your hands, but you know, Lily, I don't mind it safer on your hands as long as you like playing with it. But like I have some slimes, but like I haven't played with them in about 2-3 weeks, even a month maybe. And like they actually melted because I made this foam one. It was my favourite and it melted. So I was very disappointed. So I tried to activate it. But it's actually at my auntie's now. Because I kept it at my auntie's, but I'm at granddad's right now with my other slimes. So I said, oh, I'll take 2 to hers and then leave the rest here. See that? Just try and make a really big slime ball. You can see it's that big compared to some of them that I've done off camera. But guys, I'm going to try and do my biggest slime bubble with this slime. But guys, I'm going to see if it's easier. Make slime bubbles with the smaller slimes. So I'm gonna stretch it out. No, it's worse. It's smaller. Guys, I think that worries me though. Is because I have a slime kit, Nickelodeon slime kit, and I used some of that activator for it and it didn't work. But then I don't have any activator left because the one that had a couple, but that was like basically full, leaked in my packet because we only used a drop of it, and then it had a drop left, so that leaked. So I'm a bit worried on what will happen when I get my other ingredients. But yeah, as you can see, you can't play with it with a spoon. But it's slime and you can't really play with actual slime with spoons. It just comes off. A bit jiggly slime. I'm going to do these slime test on the slimes with this slime, see which slime is best. But then guys, some of the slimes have melted a bit, but some of them aren't that bad, and the other ones are a bit sticky. Because if they're not bad, then they're a bit sticky. If not, they're actually melted. I'll let you know. It does not bother me one bit. So yeah, put this one back. So yeah, probably the other slimes. So I'm going to do slime by slime on the slime test, and then the winner can become my favourite. I'm going to get some kitchen roll. For my hands. I'm just going to wipe down the surface. Just keep a bit of glitter on the surface and a bit of soap. I'm going to open this pink one. I don't know, it hasn't melted, sort of, but then it has. Like, it's not coming together anymore, because like, look. Just not coming together anymore, guys. Like, for me, that's a big deal. Yeah, the thickness is good, but then when you stretch it, it just comes apart. Stretch it. Yeah, it worked. But then it also, like, if I squeeze it, and that happens. I'm unsure about this slime. I don't think it'll be the best. So far it's not the best, because when you squeeze it, it rips apart. It's a bit sticky. Like, the thickness is good. Slime bubble, nope, rips. Ooh, I know what I have done. The popping test. Or actually, I'm going to do an Insta swirl. So I don't think it's going to be good at an Insta swirl. I can't do a slime bubble for me. It has to stretch, it has to poke, and it has to bubble. But it has to do everything to be a perfect slime. But for me, but it doesn't stretch. It's a putty. No stretch. But it's stiff. Putty, like farting putty, I'd say. So no putty stretches, fine putty just makes the sounds. So I'll put you back in your container slime. Flops a little bit. Another roll. Another. Anyway. Oops, I dropped it. So I'm going to be opening this green one. So I might open a putty in this, but I won't play it for very long. Ooh, this one hasn't melted. A bit sticky. I would say like it's the St. Patrick's Day slime. Because it's green, it has green glitter. So St. Patrick's Day slime for me. Oh yeah, guys. I might do a YouTube video tomorrow morning, so it'll be out early, about 9, 8, 10ish in the morning on Fortnite, but it's on my Nintendo Switch because I'm not at my house, so I can't really so you can't really go on my PlayStation. I mean, I lost a PlayStation 3, which can't get Fortnite on, and you know, but I could probably play some card games on it, but I don't think it works. So you know, I'm on Nintendo Switch. Guys, that like all of these slimes, cause like the I've been playing with for a while. It's been like that, but like I think it's just the slime brand, really, because you know, I'd say I know which one is going to be the winner, my homemade one, because this one don't feel like container either. But like this one was from another slime kit, like one of them small slime kits, so it's like I put it in the container that like had the slime activator in it, so it's big enough. But I mean, this is so far the best out of the other ones from my slime kit. It's not sticky, squeeze it. It's okay, guys, but I might be doing an Instagram live on Sunday. Liverpool versus Man United, and I don't know, because Man United are like jammy, and like if there's added minutes in it, then they'll score in that, or they'll score in the last 10 minutes. But you know, but then like, you know, Liverpool are, you know, always good. And Mo Salah, and Van Dijk, and Alisson, and Firmino, and Mane, and Robertson, and Henderson, and Milner, and you know, all of them players. Because in general, Liverpool are just a good team. But guys, if you don't agree Liverpool are a good team, comment down below what football team you support, or if you don't support a football team. You know, I like Little Mix. But like, I didn't like Liverpool at one stage. My sister was like, if you don't like Liverpool, then you don't like Little Mix. Because I like Little Mix more than Liverpool. But because I paid from Little Mix, her boyfriend plays for Liverpool. And like, she has a crush on her favourites, whoever Little Mix is, boyfriend that he plays for Liverpool. He has a crush on him. Spread it worldwide. See you now. Oh yeah, so as I said, so guys, shout out to Superhero Games and More. I'll link his channel in the description. And his name's Connor, by the way. Shout out to Harry, my boyfriend. Shout out to my sister Lily. But guys, put it in the comments if you want to be shouted out. Oh yeah guys, but Lily's channel is called The New Lily H, because she copied the new Adam B 99. You know, she's a copycat. See ya guys. Get slime, time to do the slime test. But then guys, I have a putty which, you know, won't really take part in the slime test because it's not an actual slime. I actually can't open it, so I'm gonna get this and then open it. You're going to open, come on, open. It's not opening, guys. That's so annoying. I do a YouTube video for slime, not people watch me open it. That's not working. Maybe I'll try it again at the end of the video. So first I'm going to do the one that I think is most successful. No, actually the least successful. Pink. I'm going to do the test. I'll rate it out of 10. Sticky test. Not sticky at all, guys. It was a bit sticky at the start of the video, and it's formed now a bit. So you know, maybe just need to play with a bit. You know, stupid stretchy. How slime should be. Clicky, as slime should be. Slime bubble just rips. Insta swirl. Guys, for me, I love Insta swirls. Like, I love like swirly things, and like I love things that are colourful. So for me, like if it's a mix of colours or like glittery slimes, then I actually love it. But I like it with foamy one as well. It looks really cool. Oh, it's jump rope. Or skipping rope, whatever you call it. I just call it skipping rope. Some people call it jump rope. I don't know. As long as I think I am good. But as long as people are happy, I am good. People are not happy, I'm not happy. Unless it's Donald Trump. Don't like Donald Trump. Not being mean, but I don't like him. His plan with Mexico is one nice days use as well. Wouldn't say it's perfection. Looks like and then some more rolls. No, it's not anymore. I don't know, guys. I rate it an 8 out of 10. Because for me, slime bubble is one of the best parts, and it's hard to rip, sort of. But you know, it's a little bit sticky. So actually, I'm gonna rate it a 7 because sticky is -1. No, slime bubble is a -2, but the thickness is good. These just swirls take a long time. It's good at just, you know, I'd say that. So that was 7. Like, if I know how to, like, yeah, it don't matter. I still like one of them cards, they go ding ding. And like them one like slime swirls. So now, 7. This one is a tad bit sticky.
You have to put it away now.
Yeah. Look.
Come on,
I'm
then.
seeing which slime's the best.
Days,
Yeah.
put it away because you go and get your pyjamas on.
What's going to chat when he went, Ka!
Get your pyjamas on
Yeah.
and brush your teeth, and then you can stay up another hour, Grandad says.
Okay.
But come on now, be a
this one
good
is
girl. I want you to
7.
put this away now.
Yeah.
And play again with it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Do you want me switching stoppy that?
Wait, I need to say bye. This one,
Go and put them in here.
8. Yeah, this one's an 8. And then I wrote my other one 9. It's really good. Yeah, I can't open this one.
I'll leave it then if you can't open it.
Yeah, I know. A little.
Are you doing it?
Yeah. I'm about to end it though. Put these away. I like the box. I like the table a bit.
You turn this off.
Wait. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.